guys, welcome to tutorial 4, Try Me by Jason Derulo featuring Jennifer Lopez. This is a really fun, kind of sensual song. It's a little bit slower, so you can use this one as a cool down after your other dance party workout. So let's get started. We start here in this nice wide position. We're going to work just the shoulders first. It goes right, right, and then chest pumps, pa, pa, and then left, pa, pa, bum, 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 ta, ta, dun, 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 ta, ta. Facing the front. It goes 1 and 2, pa, pa, left, and chest. Right, pa, pa, left, ta, ta. And we're going to see that a bunch throughout this. There's a little syncopation rhythm there. After we get those shoulders working, we're going to have a little step point to the right first. We go double right, double left, rock, and we turn upstage, and we get ready to go the other direction. Double left, double right, rock, and turn. Now the arms are free to do whatever you want during that. I'll show it facing the front. We go double right, double left, rock, half turn, other direction, double left, double right, rock, and turn. Now if you're feeling adventurous, you can go for a turn and a half there. There's enough music for it. Double rock, turn, and then head the other direction. Double right, double left, rock, half or 1.5 turns. On the fourth one, we're facing the front. So we just went back left, rock, and we face front. Now the right arm's going to come up, left arm's going to come up, and then we're going to work it down the body. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time for the chorus. We're going to get up towards the mirror, double right, double left, and then you groove for 4 counts, your choice. Then we take it back, double right, double left, and then it goes side, 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 starting with that right foot. Arms are just here, right in front of the body. As we go up, it's come here, hands, and groove. As you go back, it's also come here, hands, and side, 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 to the front. It goes, try me, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, back, side, 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 side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, groove, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes that rhythm with the shoulders again. 1 and 2, chest out, left, pop, pop, right, ta, ta, left, ta, ta. Again, after that, repeats going to the right first, double right, double left, groove, and around. Second time around, everything is the same through the verse and the chorus, except instead of it being back, side, 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 we have one more time to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, groove, 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 groove to get ready for the bridge, which is body roll to the right, body roll to the left, shoulders around, booty around, and we groove 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats, facing the front. We just take it up one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chorus back and back. 3 times. And front, front, and front, and groove, 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 back, and back. Ta, 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 front, and front. 5, 6, Indian back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders one more time. Right, left, 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 ta, ta. Right, pop, pop, left, ta, ta. One more time, body roll side, side, shoulders, hips, and booty. 4 times, repeats. Side, 4, 2, side, 4, 2, shoulders, hips, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you guessed it, we're gonna get into the shoulders one more time. Right, left, ta, ta, left, left. One more set, right, ta, ta, left, ta, ta. So those are all the moves for try me. Let's dance it. Here we go.